Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect the brand new T19 Kids Smart Watch. In this video we will include all the options that are in the app, and in the next video we will see how to connect the T19 with iOS. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This watch is more complicated than we are used to see. We have more than double the options, but to connect is not that hard. First we have to scan the QR code that we have on the menu and it will send us directly to the Play Store to download the app. We will use the other QR code later to connect the watch. After the app is downloaded it will ask us for location permission, which we allow, and next we have to open an account. You have to put your email and after that it will ask to pair the device, and we have to allow more things for this device. After you have done all that, we have to use the other QR code that I mentioned before to connect the watch. You have to put a name, select if you are the dad or mom and put the phone number there. If you have done all these steps you are ready to press log in and start using the app. Again we have to allow some things to function, like calls and some more in the settings. Now this is the app, and the first option is the map, which you can see it's showing some part of China which is wrong, so to fix it make sure you have put your APN and reboot your device. Now it's showing our correct location. Next from the options is contacts, where we can add more people, and it will show them in the watch. Down below we have family members. Here we can put only the parents or siblings, which makes it easier to find them. At the alert center we will find SOS, safe zone and low battery. Next we have a tracking frequency, where we can put a timer to refresh the tracking. Currently we have every 10 minutes, but I think there should be an option for even more frequent tracking. At the SOS number we can put the parent's number or even 911. Here we can see how easy it's to activate SOS calls by only holding a button for a few seconds. Here at the rewards from the parent phone you can send a heart as a reward to your kid for good behavior or for doing a task. This is a very useful option for parents. Do not disturb, it's self-explanatory. Here we can set a timer to shut all notifications. Next we have an alarm clock, where we can put the school alarm for our kid or maybe put an alarm for homework or bedtime. Play sound on device is an option to find your watch in case you lose it. Sounds, SMS alerts are the next option, where you can customize a few things. At the health option we can monitor our kids' steps and sleep hours. Everything will be shown with charts and statistics. Remote photos are another good option, so parents can send their child photos throughout the day. At the activity schedule we can put things that our kid needs to do that day. You can schedule things with hours and dates. Also you can put a message to read what they need to do. Language and time zone usually is fixed as in the phone. LBS is another option that we are not used to see in smartwatches. This option helps you locate the watch when it's connected to a Wi-Fi. These are most of the options that we will find on this app. We have to try some of these options. We can see some of the saved contacts that we have here. Let's try to make some video calls. Select the person that you want to call, or if you call from the phone you need to select the watch. The call is very fast and video is very good for a smartwatch. You can actually communicate with your kid. Next we have the WeChat that we mentioned before. Here we can send voice recordings and photos from our phone. Your kid can hear what you send and can send a voice back at you. You can see how the chat looks and how easy it's to operate even for a kid. This is the chat and we are testing the voice records and photos too. Very practical and simple. Here we have to test the map too. We can see the exact location of the watch. This is very important so we can track our kid. In the map page we can see streets with names, also we can change the view of the terrain. I would suggest whoever has this watch do go and customize things for their own preferences. In this app you will find a lot more minor options that we didn't include on our video. These are more important and we hope that we helped you a bit. This is all for today's video. In the next video we will connect the T19 with iOS and we will see if we have any differences there. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.